So this is the second part of the ionic bonding, and what we're going to do is what was shown in the previous slide, two previous slides, is we're going to do this part that's in blue. We're going to show the electron transfer between the two atoms. So if I look at cesium, cesium is right here, and it's in column 1. Chlorine, which will become chloride, is in group 17, so that's 17 minus 10 to give me 7. Okay, so I'm going to draw the atomic symbol of cesium with 1 dot for that, and I'm going to do chloride, and I'm going to do 7 dots. Now, I know I'm doing 7 dots, and so I'm trying to draw a line. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I did this so that my open spot, if you will, was towards the cesium. If you don't do that, that's fine. But what's important then is you have to show me the transfer of electrons there. So if you didn't do that and you just say, I did my chlorine and I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that's fine too. You just have to draw a longer arrow. But it needs to show the fact that this electron is going over to the unpaired electron. So you need to have the tail starting over here, and you need to have a head on your arrow showing where it's going to stop. Okay. If I do calcium, switch colors here. If I do calcium, calcium is right here, and group 2A. Fluoride, I've kind of drawn over it already, is over here, same as chlorine, it's in 17. So this has 2 and this has 7. Okay, so I draw my calcium first, and I have 2 dots. Again, it doesn't matter where you put those 2 dots. Fluorine has 7, and again, I know what it's going to end up looking like, so I'm going to cheat and kind of draw it so it's more convenient. Okay, and 1 electron transfers over here. However, I still have another electron that needs to be given away. So when we did nomenclature way back at the beginning of the semester, we would learn that this was Ca2+, this was F-. So when it crisscrossed, it becomes CaF2. So I need 2 fluorines here. So I'm going to put another fluorine down here, and I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to cheat because I want it up on top. 5, 6, and 7. And then I'm going to draw an arrow that shows the fact that that transfers there. Okay, so this is what I want you to answer. And, oops, the last one is magnesium and fluorine. So you can go back, or you can, I'm going to erase this fluorine and choose a different color. So I'll go to purple. And I have magnesium is here. It's also in group 2A. Sulfur, I lost my pen, is over here, and it's in group 16. So 16 minus 10 gives me 6. So I have a magnesium, and it has 2 dots. I have a sulfur, and it has 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And just for ease, I'm going to put my pairs here. And so 1 electron is going to go over here, and 1 electron is going to go over there. Oops, kind of went on top of that one. And so that's showing the transfer there. And again, going back to when we did nomenclature, the Mg would be a 2+, the S would be a 2-, so it became just MgS of 1 and 1. So this is where this comes from. Yep, and that's the end of this video.